To create a new Google form from a Google spreadsheet, start by accessing your browser and navigating to Google. Log into your account. Then select the existing Google spreadsheet you want to work with. It's essential to note that creating a form from a spreadsheet won't automatically generate questions, but it will link the Google form and sheet together, creating a form with the same name as the sheet. To initiate this process, go to the top toolbar in your spreadsheet and click on Tools, then select Create a new form. From the pop-up menu, this will allow you to create a new form where you can write your questions. For each question, you can choose the type, such as multiple choices or short answer, and make the question required if needed. To add more questions, click the plus icon on the right-hand side of the screen and repeat the process. Once you've set up your form, navigate to the Responses tab, where you'll see that you currently have 0 responses. If you go back to your spreadsheet, you can view the form you just created by clicking on the Form Responses option at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. This method enables you to create a Google form directly from a Google spreadsheet, linking the two together seamlessly.